That's all I could do, mama. I hope you hear me. Pain, since I've lost you, I'm lost too. Nigga feeling like he at the bottom like a horseshoe. Sorry for the trouble that I put you in your heart through. God knows that I do anything for a part two. Ought to be praying for the day you come back to me, saying that you forgive me. Give me another chance, I'm needing it like a kidney. I don't wanna advance, give me back her hands, give me back her touch. I don't ask for much, but I fucked up. I know I fucked up, I admit I fucked up, but everybody fuck up. Now this other nigga locked up, telling me and my clique don't give a fuck, cause we from New Orleans. She was from Georgia, she was my down chick. I was a soldier, I was a gangster. She was my shoulder, you were the pistol to my holster. Bang.